Some people dream of having the wings of an eagle, the speed of a cheetah, or the strength of a bear. But if there's any animal that I personally marvel at, it's the humble tardigrade. The tardigrade, also sometimes called the water bear, is a microscopic eight-legged insect-like creature that's found in aquatic environments worldwide, where it mostly feeds on moss and lichens. I'll be honest, it's not all that much to look at, but this otherwise obscure animal has a truly amazing survival tactic. Under harsh conditions, the tardigrade is capable of forming what's called a tune, which is basically when it enters what is essentially a state of suspended animation. In this state, it may almost dry out completely, its body water content dropping to less than 3% of what it normally is. And yet, while the tardigrade can remain in this state, basically inert for over 10 years, it will reanimate almost instantly as soon as hospitable conditions resume, for example, in the presence of liquid water. On top of that, in this tune form, the tardigrade, at least as far as we can tell, is next to indestructible. It can survive a wide range of temperatures, all the way up to 308 degrees Fahrenheit to all the way down to negative 328 degrees Fahrenheit. It can survive over 1,200 times normal Earth atmospheric pressure, yet at the same time is capable of surviving in the vacuum of space. And we actually know this from sending tardigrades into space and seeing how well they do. Furthermore, it can also survive exposure of over 5,000 grays of radiation, which is approximately 1,000 times what the average human can tolerate. The tardigrade's ability to hunker down and ride out tough times may at least be in part due to the ability to produce large amounts of trehalose, a sugar that basically acts as a preservative. However, oddly enough, not all tardigrades are known to produce trehalose, so we can only assume that it must have other tricks up its sleeves. What these tricks are is still something of a mystery, but scientists suspect that tardigrades may have extremely effective and rapid mechanisms to repair its DNA and tissue after exposure to extreme conditions. So, if you're looking for a new spirit animal to adopt, while it's not particularly big or even really all that photogenic, remember, when the going gets tough, the tough get like tardigrades. Thank you.